Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a Fashom box to share with you. And look, they changed their box, so it's purple. Really cute, right? So I'm not going to talk about what Fashom is. I will leave a link below if you'd like to learn more or try it for yourself. And I will also pop a card up above to a video where I explain it a little bit more, but I thought we'd just dig into my box because I'm excited to see what's in here. And I have not gotten a Fashom box probably in like a month and a half or so, which I know is not too long, but I really enjoy these boxes. The prices I feel like are a little bit more affordable than some of the other subscription boxes. And what I love about Fashom too, look, I'm telling you a little bit about it. They do send you a preview of items, so you can kind of choose from that preview of what you want sent to you. So I kind of have an idea of what's in here, but it's always different once you see things in person. So let's dig in. And as always, you get your prepaid mailer, so anything that you're not going to keep goes back in this bag, and shipping is free both ways. You get an envelope with your invoice, and also there's a small note from your stylist on the top, and then there's an instruction sheet on, if you're new to Fashom, what to do. So everything is in here for you. So I'm gonna put this to the side, and I will go over the prices as I try things on, but let's just go through and see what's in my box. I do wanna show you that the tissue paper too, it's so cute. They updated that, so I love that. All right, so let's go through my box. So the first thing I see is by, let me see, Umgee. So it looks very long, like a tunic length top, and it's navy blue. It's got some embroidery detail, and it's got tassels, and it looks like the sleeves are elastic here. So I think it's pink embroidery, like white and pink, and I don't know if that's coming across. The tassels are coming across, I see, as pink, but some of the embroidery is pink too, and then it's got the embroidery around the neckline too. So excited to try this on. And then the next thing is, let's see, this is also by Umgee, and a pink and white striped shirt. Looks like it's a little bit longer in the back. And is it a wrap style? Yeah, it's a true wrap style shirt, so we'll see how that looks. And then this is by Papermoon. So it looks like it, oh, I think it's a cold shoulder. That's pretty. I like the pattern of this top a lot. So it's almost like a rose colored background, and then it's got some blue floral print. It's really pretty. Long sleeves, it looks like. I really like the material too. All right, this one is by Together Clothing. So this looks like a nice top for work. I love this pretty teal color. It's got the keyhole. See, I can see you through the keyhole. It's got the keyhole back, and then it's got the really pretty sleeve detail here, like the scalloped sleeve detail. And then the bottom is really pretty too. It's got the scalloped hemline, but it's got a cutout detail too. I really love this color. This is a good work blouse too. And then lastly, these are by, I think it's 151, yeah, 151, and it looks like, okay, these are a crop mid-rise, and they're black jeans, but they have, oops, can you see that? Kind of like this lace detail all the way down on each side, and then here's the hemline of the jeans. Interesting. Okay. All right. I can't wait to try this stuff on and see what everything looks like. So hang tight and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and this top is actually supposed to be a dress, but I'll show you in a second. So this is by Umgee USA. This is the ruffled bell sleeve embroidered dress. It is $45. It is an extra large. The outside lining is 100% rayon, and it does have an inside lining, which is 100% polyester. Let me back up so you can see. I did wear it as a shirt because this would be a very short dress, and I am a short girl. So this was short on me, so I had to throw on some pants with this. So it's cute. I'm gonna come close because I want you to see the beautiful detail. I love all of the embroidery here. I love all the embroidery right here on the sleeves. I was going far up, sorry. Here on the sleeves, and it goes all the way around. Love that. I think it's so pretty. I love that detail. I don't know. I like it as a shirt. Here's the back. but I almost think it's too long to be a shirt. What do you think? Let me know, because I'm on the fence about this one. I think if I kept it, I know it's supposed to be a little bit oversized, but I think I would size down. Yeah, I don't know. I really do like it. I love the color, the navy color, and I love the embroidery detail. That's like my favorite part about this blouse. I just don't know. Is it too long to be a top? Kind of looks oversized. I don't know if it does much for me like this, so I'm gonna need your help with this one. All right, now let me go change into the next top. Okay, so this next top is also by Umgee USA. This is the striped 3/4 wide sleeve surplice V-neck top. It is $45. It's an extra large and it's 100% rayon. So I do like the neckline. It is a wrap style top, but it's not one that, you know, you'd be able to see anything, so that's good. I do like the sleeves. I think the sleeves are really fun. I like the colors of this top. It is more, to me, like a spring summer top. It doesn't really scream fall as much, but that's okay. I don't know, I'm on the fence about this one. I do not mind rayon. I like the feel of rayon. It just drives me crazy how much it wrinkles. That's the only thing that I don't like about rayon. Otherwise, I'm okay with that fabric. Here's the back of the top. Yeah, I don't know. I'm on the fence with this one. It's actually better than I thought. When I pulled it out, I didn't know if I'd care for this, but I love the sleeves. I think the sleeves are so cute. I don't know, I'm gonna need some help on this one too. This is gonna be a tough box, I think. All right, hang on one second, I'm gonna change. Okay, next top. This one is by Papermoon. This is the Angel Cold Shoulder top. It's only $36. It is 95% rayon, 5% spandex, and it's an extra large as well. So it's a cold shoulder style top, but it has a crisscross detail on the cold shoulder, which is cute. I love the color of this top, and I love the pattern of this top. Let me back up so you could see. It is a full sleeve length, which is nice for the colder weather. I love the length of this top. You know, I like my tops a little bit longer, so this is like a perfect length for me. Here's the back. It's pretty cute. Yeah, I think I like this one too. I don't know. The only thing I'm not sure about is the crisscross on the sleeves. I just don't know. But you let me know what you think. It's different. It's unique. Yeah, I don't know. It's very comfortable too, and the price isn't bad. And I think it's just because I'm not used to this, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna need your help with this one too. Wow, this is gonna, like I said, this is gonna be a tough box. All right, let me change. I have one more top and a pair of jeans to show you, so hang on one second. Okay, let's talk about the top first. This is by Together Clothing. It is the flower cutout top. It is 100% polyester, and it's $42. I'm super bummed because this one is a little bit snug, yeah, right through here, and it's just making the whole top fit a little off. So see how it's like kind of gathering here? It kind of looks a little big, like right here. I do love the scallop detail on the arms. I think it's really cute. And I love the scallop detail, which I'll probably have to show you in the recap how it looks. See on the hemline of the top with the cutout detail. Really, really pretty, but yeah, it's too snug like through this area, of course. So I'm gonna have to send this one back, or maybe I can see if I can size up. I just don't know if it would work. I don't know. But I love the color. This would have been a great work top if it fit me right. I just think it, yeah, I don't think it's gonna work for me. Let me show you the back. Just too snug, but otherwise a really cute top. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera down and we are going to talk about the jeans. So hang on one second. Okay, so the jeans are by 151 and they are the mid-rise skinny crop. They are $49. I'm sorry, I forgot to look at the size of these jeans. I don't know how I feel about them. They fit well. They feel nice. I don't know about the length of them though for me, because I am shorter, so I just don't know. You can't really see, I don't think, in the camera, but they do have kind of like that lace detail down each side. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just on the fence about these. But let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back and we will do a quick recap. Okay, so remember, with Fashom, if you keep all 5 items, you get 30% off, and if you keep 3 or 4, you get 25. I had to just check. I wasn't sure if it was 20 or 25. So you do get 25% off for keeping 3 or 4. I am not going to keep all 5 items in this box. So I'm not going to keep this teal top. Unfortunately, I thought this was the top I was going to end up keeping, but it was too tight on me. And I think if I sized up, I don't think it would fix the fit issues. I don't know. Just because of how my proportions are. So yeah, I think this one's going to go back, and that's sad because I really like this. Oh, let me just show you again the bottom detail. Whoops. See the cutout? Hang on, let me do a better job at that. There we go. Really, really pretty. So I liked it, but this one, since it didn't fit me, I really don't think sizing up would fix the issue. So, all right. And then the jeans, I know for sure I'm going to send back too. They are a nice pair of jeans, and I just want to show you again the detail that's on the leg. So it's pretty, but I don't think I'd pull for these. So I'm going to send these back too. I'm on the fence about this dress. I would never wear it as a dress because it's way too short. This is the one by Umgee. I would wear it as a top. I'm just not sure if it did much for me. So I'm going to watch back and see what I thought of it on video, because it kind of gives me an idea of how it would look. I'm seeing what you guys are seeing. I love all the embroidery, especially the sleeves. I think it's so pretty. So let me know what you think, because I'm on the fence about this one. And I'm also on the fence about the striped top. This was better than I thought. When I pulled it out of the box, I didn't think I was going to care for it, but I kind of like it. So let me know your thoughts on this. I just love the sleeves too. So yeah, I don't know. And then this top here, I'm on the fence about this one too. This is the Papermoon top, the cold shoulder top, and this is the one that has like the crisscross on the shoulder. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm going to watch back and see, because I think that's going to help me make some decisions once I watch back. But I'm leaning towards maybe 1 or 2 of the tops, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts. So let me know. Thanks so much for watching and spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you all very soon in my next video.